How to log in SafePal wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your SafePal wallet account. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, install the app. If you don't have it, you can download it from Google App Store or Play Store. After you do so, open it up and you will see three options. First is to create a new wallet. Second is to add an existing wallet. And third is to connect a hardware wallet. Now let's tap on add existing wallet. Now you'll need to create a new password. After you do so, you can simply paste your phrases here. Paste the phrase that you got while you created a new SafePal account. After you paste that in, you'll simply need to enter a password again. After you enter your password, you'll get logged in into your SafePal wallet account. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned.